Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmal here with this Feiyue FY06, the badass looking 6-wheel drive RC car. Now honestly speaking, this is my very first 6-wheel drive RC vehicle, and we got to give it to Feiyue for actually putting in a lot of consideration in this design. That gives you a very aggressive stance, as you can see it, and also makes it look much more attractive. Now when it comes to its 6-wheel drive performance, I haven't driven it. We have the best place here, this new area I found. We can put it to test right away. Now before I get it really dirty, it is running a brushless motor, a waterproof ESC, high grip off-road all-terrain tires, metal shock absorbers, and for this rear wheel drive they are running planetary differential gear. Now that is something to give you much better power and performance and all the torque in your hands when cornering. That's where the planetary differential gears come into effect. And one more thing that you want to know about this little 6-wheel drive here, this is 1/12 scale, that it has a slipper clutch. That means you can tweak it or you can adjust it according to your taste of performance, how much torque you want, how much power you want, how much slipping you want on that clutch. Basically with a slipper clutch you can adjust it according to your own taste. Now the other thing that I like about this buggy is that it has plenty of space for me to mount FPV system. Well, not only there, we have a bed on the back right here. Check it out. This bed has much more space for me to actually install FPV pan tilt, and then, you know, pan and tilt around and go for off-road trailing. Now let me put the buggy down and pick up the radio control. This is the radio control, which is a 2.4 GHz radio control. It is adjustable for both left and right hands. Okay. Then you have steering dual rate, you have throttle dual rate, you have 50-50 throttle and 70-30 throttle response. I don't know, I mean, if you want to just cruise it, you can have it on 70-30. You have on-off button. There's one more button top here. I believe that's the reverse switch. And one thing that you want to notice on the back here is something that says high-speed model and children's model. And you can actually open this sticker. So basically under the sticker you will see something like a key here, and basically in your user manual, apart from the spare gears and some tools, you do have these little keys here. So you can use those keys to unlock the high-speed mode. And if you want children to drive it and you are worried that children are gonna hit this vehicle at high speed to different obstacles and brake parts, well, you can easily turn the key on the radio to make it low speed, slow speed, so children will not damage it. So basically it has two modes. It has children mode and it has big boy mode, and that's what I'm gonna drive it in. So what are we waiting for? Batteries are fully charged. Let's get it dirty. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right